MCA department. Today I am going to give a brief explanation about algorithms. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step set of instructions designed to perform a particular task or to solve a particular problem. For example, we have to take the input and we will get the output. In between this, we have to follow the set of the rules. This is the process of an algorithm. Whoever follows the algorithm arrives at the same result. Next, coming to this one, algorithm. It is a wide range of applications. It can be found in a wide range of applications. Everyday activities such as cooking and driving a car. Algorithms can be expressed in various ways, including natural language, pseudocode, and programming languages. What are the programming languages? We have to develop the code and we will write the algorithm in the form of the steps only. Next, in computer science, these algorithms are used extensively to solve the problems and automate the tasks. Efficient algorithms can be used to solve the real-time applications where the speed and accuracy are very crucial. Some of the examples of these algorithms. For sorting algorithm, the examples are quicksort and bubble sort. And for the searching algorithms, the examples are binary search. And for the discussed algorithm, discussed algorithm is an example of the graph algorithms. What kind of the problems are solved by the algorithms? Algorithms can be used to solve a wide variety of problems. Okay, across many different domains. Some of the examples are sorting, searching, optimization, machine learning, simulation, and cryptography. What is the sorting? How algorithms use this sorting, searching, optimization, machine learning, simulation, cryptography? Algorithms. For this sorting, algorithms use these sorting by using the list of data in various orders. Algorithms uses this sorting by using the list of data in various orders means either in ascending order or descending order or in the alphabetical order. Next, coming to searching. Algorithm uses this searching for a specific item within a data set. Algorithm wants a specific item within a data set. For example, if it is a third element or fourth element, it specifies the particular item. Then it searches that element only. Coming to the optimization. Algorithm uses this optimization, the shortest path between the 2 points. And coming to the machine learning. Algorithm uses this machine learning to train the models for a particular different tasks. Next, simulation. Algorithm uses this simulation to simulate the complex systems and phenomena such as weather patterns, weight dynamics, and financial markets. And coming to cryptography. Algorithm uses this cryptography to encrypt and decrypt the data. To encrypt and decrypt the data for communication and to secure the keys and for authentication. These are the problems that are solved by some of the problems, not all the problems solved by the algorithms. Different types of problems are there, such as cloud computing, IoT, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. These problems also solved by the algorithms. And for the algorithms, these algorithms are used these enables the large amount of data in various and a vast amount of data. It enables the machine that vast amount of data into the small, to enable the machine to do a small amount, so it can process it within a quick time.